Hello everybody, Robbie here with a very important video. Alright, so this is related to Rite Aid purchase-based coupons, in-ad coupons. Alright, so I know I get multiple questions all the time, so I really want to make a dedicated video on how to use those in-ad coupons and purchase-based coupons to your advantage, and examples as well. And this video, I will be linking it to anyone that has questions specific to these types of in-ad coupons or purchase-based coupons. So this will be the main video that I will link for everybody, just because there's so many multiple questions, and it's so hard to answer every single question multiple times. It's just it just makes it easier for everyone if I just make a dedicated video. You guys ask all your questions in this, and it'll just be answered all the time, whatever questions you have. And I encourage you guys to leave your questions below. Make this video as much detailed and engaging as possible, so anyone that has questions, they can go down to the comments and read through these questions and answers, so they'll get a dedicated idea. And just letting people know, because I'm trying to be your #1 Rite Aid source for how-to and deals. So just make sure, if letting other people know, just let them know to come to my channel, and I do have this how-to video that I'm dedicating for everyone. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so say for example we have a $10 off of a $40 in-ad coupon. We usually get those, or in the case of a few weeks back, we got a 10 off of 50. Alright, so when these coupons come, your total needs to be $40 after Rite Aid coupons and load to card digitals, and before manufacturer coupons. Okay, so we need to make sure we ingrain this in our mind, that if you're using load to cards with this type of coupon, a 10 off of 40, 10 off 50, 5 off of 20, any purchase-based coupon that Rite Aid provides, you need to account for those Rite Aid coupons and load to card digitals. It does not matter. I know, because people are like, why did my load to cards not come up? It's because you have to account for them. Your total has to be $40 after Rite Aid coupons and load to card digitals. So Rite Aid coupons, they're considered the RC48 coupons, which is the purchase-based coupons, or the RC48 freshness coupons, those peelies you find on expiring items in the Rite Aid stores. Okay, so those two need to be accounted for beforehand. Alright, and it's before manufacturer coupons, so you can use as many manufacturer coupons as you want to, but you need to account for load to cards and Rite Aid coupons, and it needs to be $40. So for an example over here, if you have a $5 digital and $2 Rite Aid freshness coupon and a $3 manufacturer coupon. Now, working backward, you have a load to card digital for $5 and a $2 Rite Aid freshness coupon. Automatically you should think, okay, I need to spend $47 in order to use the load to card digital, the Rite Aid freshness coupon, and a 10 off of 40 at the same time. Then the $3 coupon manufacturer coupon you can give. Okay, so that's why you guys can see I did not count that into the need to spend total, because I said that you need to count load to cards and you need to count the Rite Aid freshness coupon beforehand. So that's $47 minus 2 minus 5, which is 40, and then you get $10 off, right? That'll be $30, and then you can use as many manufacturer coupons as you want to, and you can earn the bonus cash, right? So it's very, very, very simple. You just need to account for digitals. I know it's a pain. I know, Rite Aid, blah, 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 blah. I know we all a little bit upset that we spend a lot more, but that's just how it works. I don't make the rules. We just follow them. That's all I have to say. But this is how it worked in the past, and this is how it's going to work in the future. You just gotta account for it, guys. Okay? All right, so I know somebody's gonna say, what if I have a 5 off of 20? Can I use it with a 10 off of 40? Well, you have to spend $60 because you need to spend the 20 and the 40 at the same time. And then if you have the digital and the freshness, that means you need to spend $67 in order to use all 1, 2, 3, and 4 coupons at the same time. Rather, you just split your transactions so there is no confusion, right? Alright, and I want to say also, manually enter coupons can count against you and will count against you. So like for example, if a cashier wants to manually enter a $2 beeping coupon, like a coupon beeps, no matching item or exceeds the total of your transaction, whatever it is, if they have to enter the coupon manually, you need to account for that as well. So like you have a $5 digital coupon, a $2 Rite Aid Freshness coupon, a $2 KY coupon, and another $2 KY coupon. Well, I wouldn't use both 2 KY coupons in the same transaction, but you know, some people are just impatient and whatever. So I don't know. And that coupon, the second coupon is definitely going to beep. If they manually enter that coupon, you need to spend $49 instead of 47 because they manually enter that coupon, so it's going to count against you regardless. And if you're using all those coupons in the same transaction, you need to spend $69. You see how it is? You just have to account for those coupons. That's really easy to understand, I hope. All right, moving on to the buy 50 get $15 in bonus cash. I know that we're going to have an upcoming coupon that's going to be buy $50 and get $15 in bonus cash. So you're earning bonus cash when you scan that barcode. This coupon is much easier, to be honest with you. So your subtotal just needs to be $50. So you just need to buy $50 worth of products. Then you can use as many coupons you like. You can use your manufacturer coupons, your Rite Aid coupons, your purchase-based coupons, your digitals. All those coupons you can lower your out-of-pocket with, and you will still earn your $15 in bonus cash. And I did do these deals multiple times on my page. I did multiple videos, and I did show proof that I do whatever I'm writing here is what is applying to my videos as well. So when this earning coupon comes, it's really great, but people just don't want to spend a lot of money, and you know, the out-of-pocket is quite high if you don't have many coupons or whatever like that. But I find that this is a great rollable. You know, when those coupons come, I love them, and even when these coupons come, I love them too. It's if there's like earning a lot of bonus cash, I just love it. Because you know, you can use that to your advantage. I know people like their dollar offs more because that's lower out of pocket, and this one is, you know, earning bonus cash, so you just spend a little bit more. But both coupons have their advantages and disadvantages. As you guys can see, that one you can lower out of pocket, but you need to account for the digitals and Rite Aid coupons and manually enter coupons. And then over here, you're gonna have a little bit higher out of pocket, but you can use as many coupons and stuff as you like, and you can lower your out of pocket, you know, significantly. So you know, that's how this works. I think I explained this really well. I know that hopefully many of you probably understood all the scenarios and everything. So if you guys have any other additional questions, obviously leave them below. I will try to answer them, and if I'm not able to answer, then other people can also chime in and stuff. We're all here to work together and you know, make it the best Rite Aid couponing as possible. I hope this was very informative. I think it was very informative. So hopefully it'll reduce the amount of questions in upcoming videos. And if anyone does answer or ask those kind of questions, I'm going to be referring them back to this video because it's much easier to understand if you guys have it written out like this, right? Thank you to all of you that are watching this video up until here, because it just shows that your willingness to learn and understand. So it's really helpful, you know, guys. Thank you everyone for your love and support again. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great week, and hopefully this video will not become obsolete in the future, because you know this video is trying to be much more of a how-to and informative video. So yeah, make sure to leave a like to this video, and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share the video with your friends and refer them to this channel for more Rite Aid deals and any type of general deals that I have. Thanks everyone. Bye.